Write neatly a sound words and circle the correct pictures. Sad, car, bat, pan, tag, can, cap and bag. You have to circle all these pictures and you have to leave lid, id, id. Okay, lid is not a sound word, and 6. So cross, cross. Now you have to write here car, sad, bat, bag, cap and can. Same with the a sound words. Net, hen, wet, web, peg, bed. All these are the a sound words. And log and mat, cross. So you can do this. Let's see this worksheet. Circle and write I sound words. Lip, lid, fin, sixth, bib, pin. Circle and write O sound words. Pot, dot, toy, hot, log, mop, pod. In the given space, you have to write neatly here. Circle a sound words and write the names of the pictures. Sun, bird, jug, bug, rug, mug. You have to write it here. And here is the mixed sound words. Okay, lad or boy, bud, rat, hot, pod, net.